Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive on Android. So currently we're here on Obsidian and you want to make sure you have a vault. To make a vault, of course, if you're just opening the app, you'll be prompted to do so. If you already have some vault opened, you could tap on the vault and then select the one you want. We're currently using the Obsidian vault. Of course, we have Vault A1. If you'd like to manage vault, you could tap on Manage Vaults and it's going to take you to this page where you can see the different vaults. If you tap on Obsidian, which is what we created, it's also going to show you the location of your Obsidian vault in your local drive. Of course, you could delete it. We're going to go back and then we're back here. And next we're going to go to our Play Store and look for the Auto Sync for Google Drive app. Once you download it, click on open. Then you want to make sure to connect it to Google Drive. This will be the app which will be connecting Obsidian with your Google Drive. So we're going to tap on connect to Google Drive and select the account you'd like to use. Before you connect, of course, if you're just having the Drive Sync app for the first time, you want to make sure to give it the permissions it requires in order to work efficiently. So make sure to follow the prompt to allow for access to your drive. Then once your Google Drive is connected, you're going to tap on choose what to sync. Then on this page, you want to say skip. Don't sync anything yet. So tap on that. It's going to take you to this page. Now you want to go over to the synced folders tab, and then it's going to take you to this page. At the bottom, you're going to say okay, just to allow it to prompt you for that. Then tap on allow here. And then at the top, you can see some tabs. We're going to go to synced folders. And then we're going to tap on add folders. By the way, you want to take note that at the top, you can also see enable auto sync. It's currently toggled on, which is good. Then we want to say add folders. Then we're going to go for the folder per name. So we're going to say Obsidian Google Drive. Then we're going to tap on the remote folder in the cloud storage. This basically is asking you to choose a folder you will be using in your Google Drive to store your Obsidian synced files. So you're going to tap on My Files. Then of course you want to create a new folder. At the top right corner, you can see the add new folder name. So we're going to say from Obsidian, tap on create. And then this is a folder. We're going to say select at the bottom. Then under the local drive folder in device, we're going to tap on it, go to internal storage. And then we're going to look for Obsidian. So tap on Obsidian and there we have it. We're going to select it. Great. So we have Obsidian, which is from the local drive. Then at the top, you have your Google Drive. And then we have the folder per name. And next, of course, you have the two-way connection, which is important. So with this, we're going to tap on save at the top right corner. And once you save that, it will work just as intended. Everything you create on your Obsidian app, which is saved in your local drive, will be synced to your Google Drive.